Hi dear students, welcome to a new session of Color Cube. Today we are continuing with chapter 2, Components of Food. In this session, we are going to discuss on obesity, deficiency diseases due to carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and minerals. First, let us discuss on obesity. Obesity is a disease caused due to overconsumption of fats. If we consume more quantity of fat, we will become obese. Obese means overweight or grossly fat. Some people will be extraordinarily fat, no? Such a person is affected by obesity. Obesity is a disease caused due to overconsumption of fats. Why they become obese? Due to overconsumption of fats. The person suffering from it becomes very fat. In the figure we can see two persons. They are very fat. That means they are affected from obesity. Obesity is an excess accumulation of fat in our body. Obesity is excess accumulation of fat in our body. If we have more quantity of fat, that means if we include more quantity of fat in our diet, it will be stored in our body, and this leads to excess accumulation of fat in our body. Did you understand it? Now let's see what are the reasons for obesity. Mainly there are 4 reasons for obesity. They are having more quantity of junk food like pizza, burger, etc. Second one is lack of exercise. Actually, what is the need of exercise? Exercise is required to burn out the excess fat in our body. If we didn't do exercise, we will become obese. Fourth reason for obesity is unhealthy drinks. Unhealthy drinks means having more quantities of cool drinks like cola, Mirinda, Sprite, etc. If we continuously drink all these cool drinks, we will become obese. And the fourth reason for obesity is eating more sweets. More sweets like cake, jalebi, ice cream, laddu, etc. If we consume more quantities of sweet also, we will become obese. Next, let us discuss on deficiency diseases. Deficiency diseases means disease caused due to deficiency of particular nutrients or minerals in our diet for a long period of time. If our daily diet is deficient in either a particular nutrient or mineral in our diet for a long period of time, it may affect human beings. It may affect us mentally and sometimes physically also. What is meant by deficiency disease? Disease caused due to deficiency of a particular nutrient or mineral in our diet for a long period of time is called deficiency disease. If one day our food is having less quantity of nutrients, it will not affect our body. If it longs for at least for 2 weeks or more than that, our body will become weak and it will show some symptoms of the diseases. A person may be getting enough food to eat, but sometimes the food may not contain a particular nutrient. What are the basic nutrients needed for our body? Carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals and proteins. Sometimes our daily diet may not contain all these nutrients in an adequate amount, but the next day we will be having it. Then no problem. If we continuously eat a particular diet which is lacking a particular nutrient, we will be affected. If this continues over a long period of time, the person may suffer from its deficiency. Deficiency of one or more nutrients can cause diseases or disorders in our body. Deficiency of either one nutrient or More than one nutrient can also cause disease or disorders in our body. Now, let's see the deficiency diseases caused due to each of these nutrients. First one is lack of protein. If a person does not get enough protein in his or her food for a long time, that person will be having these symptoms. They are stunted growth, swelling of face, discoloration of hair, skin diseases, and diarrhea. This is stunted growth. That means that person will not be having a proper growth. This is swelling of face. This is the face of a child. It is some little bit enlarged, no? Both the sides are enlarged. Swelling of face. This is the condition. Discoloration. Our normal hair color is black. There will be a discoloration. That means it may be either white or brownish color. This is skin diseases, scratching and other red color in the skin. And diarrhea means irritating and frequent bowel movements in a person. Irritating and frequent bowel movements in a person. This is called diarrhea. Now, what are the symptoms? Stunted growth. That means less growth. According to the age, that person will not be having a proper growth. Second one is swelling of face. Third one, discoloration of hair, skin diseases, and diarrhea. Now, let's see what will happen if we lack carbohydrates. Main symptoms are loss of stamina and body weakness. Stamina means a person will not be able to do a particular work for a long time. So, for an athlete, he won't be able to walk for more time if he is having less carbohydrate in his body. Carbohydrates are energy-giving food. So, if it lack means we will lose our stamina and we will be getting weak soon. If the person is deficient in both carbohydrate and protein, if the person is deficient in both carbohydrate and protein for a long period of time, the growth may stop completely. If a person is lacking both carbohydrate and fat, carbohydrate and protein, his growth may be stopped completely. Second one, such a person becomes very lean and thin. He will be so lean and thin and so weak that he or she may not even be able to move also. He will be so weak also. Now, let's see the deficiency diseases due to vitamins. Some of the vitamins are given here: vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin C, and vitamin D. Here, the diseases due to lack of these vitamins are given here, and in this column, it is given, the symptoms are given. Let's see one by one. Vitamin A. If a person lacks vitamin A in his diet, that person will be having loss of vision. That means poor vision, loss of vision in darkness. Sometimes complete loss of vision. These three symptoms are the reason for lack of vitamin A. In this figure we get, this is the normal eye of a normal human being, and this is the person who is having lack of vitamin A. That means such a person will be having loss of vision. What are the symptoms? Poor vision, loss of vision in darkness, sometimes complete loss of vision also. Second type of vitamin is vitamin B1. If a person lacks vitamin B1, will be affected by beriberi. Beriberi means weak muscles and very little energy to work. Our muscles will be weak. See, this is the disease of beriberi. Reddish hands, our muscles will be weak and our whole body will be having a very little energy. Next vitamin is vitamin C, and the disease caused due to lack of vitamin C is scurvy. Main symptoms are bleeding gums. Wounds take longer time to heal. For a normal human being, it takes a little bit time, no? Those persons who are affected, who are lacking vitamin C, will take much more time than a normal person. Bleeding gums is the main symptom. Vitamin C and its disease is scurvy. This is the bleeding gum of a man who is affecting from scurvy. Next one is vitamin D. Vitamin D, the deficiency disease is rickets. That means bones become soft and bent. Such a person's hands and legs will be in the shape of a bow. Bones, this is due to bones, soft bones. Let's see. Here this boy is having a bow-shaped hand and his legs also will be like that. This is due to lack of vitamin D. This is loss of vision, vitamin A. This is beriberi due to lack of vitamin B1. This is lack of vitamin C. This is scurvy. This is due to lack of vitamin D. This rickets. Deficiency disease is rickets. Next we are going to discuss on deficiency diseases due to lack of minerals. 3 minerals are given: calcium, iodine and iron. Deficiency diseases is given here, symptoms here. Calcium, its deficiency disease is bone and tooth decay. And symptom is weak bones, tooth decay. Weak bones and tooth decay. Here, this is weak bones and tooth decay in a small girl. Iodine, deficiency disease is goiter. Glands in the neck appear swollen. In small children, they will be having mental disability. If a person is lacking iodine, means the deficiency disease is goiter and the symptom is swollen neck. Swollen means enlarged, bulged neck. This is the swollen neck. And in small children, they will be having mental disability also. And third mineral is iron. Deficiency of iron may lead to anemia. Anemia means, and the symptom is total weakness of whole body. Their eyes and all will be white color. That means less quantity of blood. Whole body will be weak and they will be having a separate color than that of a normal human being. Blurred color. Next, today's homework is fill in the blanks. Please do these 4 questions. And the next one is prepare a chart to show various vitamins and minerals and the symptoms and deficiency diseases caused by them also. Please write it in a table form or chart form. Thank you.